Hi friends, today I am here to teach you all a concept of drawing a tangent to the circle with help of a center. So let's start with the video. Now to draw a tangent to the circle with help of a center, we need to understand one simple concept, how to draw a perpendicular from a point on a given line. Now for that, first we need to draw a line of any length. I have taken a line L, then I take any point on it as P. Now with help of a compass, I'll place the compass at P and I'll take one arc on left hand side of the point P and with the same radius arc on other side as B. After that, now we got a segment AB. Now we will draw a perpendicular which will pass through the point P for the segment AB. So for that, we'll keep the compass at A. Now the radius of the arc has to be more than the half the length of segment AB. So I'll cut the arc above the line L. Now with the same radius, I'll place the compass at B and cut the arc. Now you will observe the arcs are intersecting. After that, with help of a scale, draw a line passing through arc intersection and point P. You will observe you have got a line M which is perpendicular to line L passing through point P. So in other words, we have drawn a perpendicular from a point on a given line L. Now this concept will be using to draw a tangent to a circle with help of a center. So let's start. I have taken one sum. Draw a circle 3.3 centimeter. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 centimeter. Draw the tangents to the circle at points P and Q. Write your observation about the tangents. Now let's understand this sum with the analytical figure. Now first they have asked us to draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeters. So this is my circle of radius 3.3 centimeters. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6. Now if you observe, the chord is twice the radius. Now which segment is twice the radius in a circle? It is diameter. So in other words, the chord PQ becomes the diameter for the circle. They want us to draw the tangents to the circle at points P and Q. And they also want us to write the observation about the tangents. Now that comes the later part. So let's start with the fair figure. Now first, with the O as the center, we will draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. That is our step 1. Now next we need to draw the chord of length 6.6. Now as I told you, in this sum, if the length is 6.6, that is twice the radius, so it is our diameter. So now we'll take the arc of 6.6, we'll place anywhere on the circle and we'll cut the opposite end on the circle. So we get the 2 points on the circle, that is P and Q. Now they want us to draw the tangent to the circle at the points P and Q. So first, we'll draw a line which will pass P and Q. Now you will observe that even center is passing through the line. Why is it so? Because O is the center and PQ is your diameter. So obviously, center lies on the diameter. Now with help of a compass, we'll place it at point Q and take a arc on left hand side of Q and same radius arc on right hand side. Now remember, I've just taken the length of arc as between 3.3 to 0 centimeter. Am I clear? Why so? Because the arc should not go on other side of center. That's it. Nothing else is the reason. Now after that, place the compass at X. Cut the arc of the radius more than half the length of XY. With the same radius, keep it at Y and cut the arc. Now you'll get an arc intersection. Draw the line passing through arc intersection and Q. So you got a tangent which is at point Q. Now if you observe, the X, Y and Z got diminished. Why? Because they are not the official vertices or the labeling given in a figure. So we have not considered. It was just for your understanding. I had taken it for temporary purpose. Now same procedure to be followed at P. I'll take the compass at, place it at P with some radius of the arc which lies between 0 to 3.3. I'll cut arc on left hand side of the P and with the same radius arc on right hand side of the P. Then temporarily I have taken that arcs as X and Y. Now I will place the compass at X. With more than half the length of segment XY, I'll cut the arc. With the same radius, I'll keep it at Y and I'll cut the arc again. You will find that arcs are intersecting. Now I will draw the line which is passing through arc intersection and the point P. Now that will be the tangent to the circle. In other words, it will be perpendicular to the line PQ. So we have drawn the tangents M and L at the points P and Q respectively. Acha, what do we observe? Now see, if you observe, angle P is 90 degree, angle Q is also 90 degree. So in other words, we observe both the tangents are parallel to each other. This is our observation. Now, as you know, in the brain gym section, I'm going to show you all one sum which you have to try to do it on your own. Now, what I want, just pause the video and try to do this construction on your own. If you're stuck up somewhere, rewatch this video from the beginning, pause the video at this end and try to do it. I'm sure you'll be able to solve this sum. I hope you must have enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also share this video with your friends and do mention about your feedback in my comment section about this video. Thank you.